The Davcarve L1 is a new multi-module laser engraver and DIY center that is perfect for hobbyists, makers, and small businesses. It is a versatile and affordable machine that can be used to engrave and cut a wide variety of materials, including wood, acrylic, metal, and glass. The Davcarve L1 has a number of features that make it a great choice for laser engraving and cutting. It has a powerful laser module that can engrave and cut a wide variety of materials, and it has a large work area that can accommodate materials up to 400 x 400 mm in size. The Davcarve L1 is also very easy to use. It comes with a variety of software options, including Lightburn and Laser RBL, which make it easy to create and send designs to the machine. The Davcarve L1 also has a number of safety features, such as a safety interlock switch and a laser guard, which help to protect the user from injury. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Davcarve L1 multi-module laser engraver and DIY center. Pros: versatile and affordable. Can engrave and cut a wide variety of materials. Large work area. Easy to use. Variety of software options. Safety features. Cons: still in development, so there may be some bugs. May be too complex for some users. Requires a computer to operate. Overall, the Davcarve L1 multi-module laser engraver and DIY center is a great choice for hobbyists, makers, and small businesses who are looking for a versatile and affordable machine. It is easy to use and has a number of safety features. However, it is important to note that the machine is still in development, so there may be some bugs. Additionally, it may be too complex for some users and requires a computer to operate. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.